Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about USDINR importance levels, targets and news which are affected to the USDINR daily trade. If you are interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with the Telegram channel. Congratulations friends, our today's intraday trade are hit and we get profit more than 75%. Congratulations. And here we show about the USD/INR importance levels and targets for tomorrow. If market can open above 72.98, we buy and the targets are 73.05 and 73.10. Okay, in again scenario, market can open below 72.92, we sell and targets are 72.80 and 72.85. Okay, and here the levels and targets for intraday trading. Below 72.92 we buy put and targets are 72.85 and 72.80. Above 72.9850 we buy call and targets are 73.05 or 73.10. Thank you friends. If you're interested in our importance levels and target series, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with the Telegram channel. Thank you.